Hello guys, I just woke up and join me today as a lazy person. Every morning, I always visit my pet dog and this is where we always play basketball with my cousins. And guys, I'm going downstairs because I'm going to wash my face. I woke up at noon guys because there's no school, so it's just in time for lunch. Let's check the food guys. That's right guys, the dish is chicken curry. Mama cooks chicken curry really well. After I ate, I watched TV with my mom. My mom likes to watch MMK episodes, so I had no choice but to watch those two. Ha 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 ha. Hotdog. But suddenly, I got bored, so I went up to my room and started to playing Mobile Legends. It's afternoon guys, so I'm going to take a shower. After I finished taking a shower, I immediately got dressed. By the way, my mom ordered me to wash dishes. So that's all for now. Thank you. My grandmother is from Tangalan, Aklan. She was born on March 9, 1948, and now she is 77 years old. My grandmother's story is that she was only 18 years old when she first came to Manila. Here she studied 2 years vocational course in dressmaking. It was also here in Manila that she met my grandfather. My grandmother was kind and took care of her grandchildren, but we always had a sermon when we did something wrong. Today, she is still active serving the church. I am very happy because my grandmother is still with us at home. We still get to celebrate special occasion with her, and she can still guide us. My emotional turning point in my life is that when I have to start my acne breakout. I started to notice it when I was grade 7. At first, I didn't care about it, but when it started to multiply, that's when I panicked. I started to be shy to face other people and really affect my confidence. Then my mother sent me to the dermatologist to help me with my acne breakout. Since then, my acne got better, but there are times that it's still worse. I learned to accept it. Although I'm still experiencing acne breakout, I have friends that accept and support me for who I am. What I want to improve to increase my knowledge of subject is that I will spend more time studying than playing online games. I will do my homeworks and pass it on time. I will also attend my class and never be absent. Every time we have a class, I will listen to my teacher attentively. To increase my knowledge on the subject more, I have to focus and more time with my studies. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching my video.